How to adjust date and time in WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can adjust the date and time of WhatsApp. So without any delay, let's start the process on how we can adjust it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So the WhatsApp by default selects the time that we have set on your device. So in order to change or adjust your date and time on your WhatsApp, these are the process you may follow in order to do so. Just close your WhatsApp application and head over to the main settings of your device. After heading over to the main settings of your device, just search date and time or go to the settings of date and time. Just scroll down until you're able to find date and time. Just go to date and time and you'll be finding this section of date and time. Just click on it and you'll be taken to this general management under where you'll be finding date and time. So here you can see this automatic date and time provided by our time zone. So if this option is turned off, for example like this, you'll be able to find an option where you can set a date and time by yourself. But since we are gonna do it by default on our own zone, so we're just going to turn on this option, and after that what happens is it uses the same date and time that you have provided on your device, and you can adjust just like that your date and time on your WhatsApp. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.